Did you know over 77% of professionals now use AI tools weekly, but less than 30% ever touch their advanced features? That's like buying a Ferrari and never leaving first gear. Let's change that today. Hey creators and innovators, welcome back to Mathew AI. Today, we are diving into the hidden powers of popular AI tools, the features even frequent users overlook. If you think ChatGPT is just for writing essays, think again. Most people use AI tools at a surface level, asking them to write an email, summarize a report, or generate basic images. But here's the catch. AI tools are packed with underused features that can save time, boost creativity, and automate complex workflows. Why don't more people explore them? Because these features are buried deep, poorly documented, or seem too technical at first glance. But today, I'll show you how simple and powerful they really are. Let's start with ChatGPT. Most users type a question and hit enter. But have you tried uploading a CSV file and asking GPT to analyze it, or using the code interpreter to build instant graphs? Game changer. Next, Canva AI. It's not just for pretty graphics. Their new magic design tool lets you build entire brand kits from a single image or mood board, no designer needed. Then there's Notion AI. Beyond summarizing notes, it can write action plans from meeting minutes and even auto-tag your tasks with priority levels. One-click productivity. But here's the wildest feature I've come across. In Descript, an audio-video editing tool. If you delete words from your transcript, it deletes them from the actual video. Real-time video editing through text. Crazy, right? Even cooler, it has overdub, which clones your voice so you can edit out mistakes just by typing new words. No need to re-record. This is like having a studio in your laptop. So we covered advanced use cases of ChatGPT, Canva AI, Notion AI, and Descript. Each of them hides massive power under the hood, and exploring them can give you an edge in content, business, or productivity. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment with the AI tool you use most and one feature you think others are sleeping on. And hey, if you found this helpful, check out my playlist on AI tools that'll 10x your output. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.